Hey everybody, so I wanted to make a quick video as I changed out my Q50's exhaust over the weekend with AMS lower downpipes and fast intentions full catback with the resonated X pipe and 10-inch sport mufflers. I'm not actually going to be showing how to do those removals or installs because those videos already exist in multiple other locations on here on YouTube. So this is more so just what it sounds like after. I think it's one of my favorite combinations to get the perfect, just a beautiful tone out of the BR30. So check it out.
She's naked.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or anything, drop a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you. So appreciate it.